Next one we're going to get into in terms of utilizing the foam roller is going to be our hamstrings. Hamstrings are a little tough. It's going to be a little hard with the foam roller because most of our body weight is behind us. But if we want, we're going to stack this leg up, try to get really high on top of it. And remember, your hamstrings start all the way back here. So almost the base of our glute all the way to the back of our knee, and they actually go past our knee. And we have hamstrings when they roll, they go on both sides of our legs. So make sure, especially with the hamstring, we're going to go to this side, work back and forth through here, inside of the hamstring, outside of the hamstring, working the whole aspect. The other thing we can utilize is a lacrosse ball. So we're going to start high on the hamstrings, kind of get your legs spread pretty wide, and then what we're going to do is just put our body weight over this leg, so really sink into there. You want to extend your knee, and then we're going to work this foot back and forth, kind of leaning over that. If you can, try to bring your leg all the way across. So again, we're working across those fibers, really trying to mobilize. Slide it on down. Next section, same thing. And you can work like that all the way down to the back of the knee.